Hey you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that Ladessa. Hey, L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. What's good? If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulas, what it do, boo? I thank you so much for hanging out with me today. So, if you've hung out with me over the course of time that I've been here down to the YouTubes, I like a label or two, or three, or four, or nine, right? But sometimes, you know what? Like, really? Did you really have to break bread and spend coins on that? So, here are my designer regrets. All right, some of the things are older pieces that I have in my arsenal of labels that I just don't use anymore. And so I'm like, really? What are you gonna do? I mean, I could Poshmark it or try to sell it, but they just are collecting dust. And then some of the other pieces are just, they were more trendy, and I got them, wore them like one or two times, and then I just never pulled them out because I'm actually pretty basic. You know, I stick to basic colors, and I have a designer bag that will pretty much, I'm spitting, pretty much touch all of, the primary colors, including black. All right, so this is the first, I'll go to my older pieces and then I'll go new, right? All right, so this is this Gucci bag that I purchased. It is, I'll put the names of them because I don't remember, but like, who carries big purses anymore? My ex-husband bought this for me probably about 5 years ago, and I carried it like to death when I first got it, and then now it just sits in my stash. So I actually regret it now. But that's this little number right here. The second one is this Louis Vuitton bowling bag. I actually didn't purchase this. I got it from my mom, right? But who is carrying this thing? Who's carrying this big old thing when we got places to go, people to see, things to do? Who wants this? Do you want this? Drop down in the comment section and let's bargain. Let's haggle. All right, and then we'll get into the latest or the most recent trendy purses or purchases that I just had to have. And I literally have carried this purse one time. That is this little Gucci Dionysus bag. Like, it's really, it's in great shape. There is, or was, I guess over time, me not using it, it went away. No, where is it? I had like a little stain on here because I had some dark jeans on, and maybe I got it out. I can't even remember. But there was like a stain from some dark jeans that had got on here. And when I went to the Gucci store to see, well, who can I clean it? They were like, take it to a shoe repair. So I was like, no. And then they messed up my bag that I don't even care nothing about. But it is cute. Do I regret this? I do, because I literally, this bag is 2 years old and I have not carried it but once. I wore it to a white party. That's it. Is there anything in here? A mint. How old is this mint? What if I ate it? It's from Uncle Julio's. So I guess I went to Uncle Julio. So maybe I've carried it twice. I got a problem, yo. All right, so that's this bag. And then, again, I want a purse in all colors. And so purple used to be my jam. And I I purchased this Bulgari Serpentine bag. I don't carry it. I've carried it probably there's some earrings in here. Probably carried it like 3 times. I do have a purple, oh, the authenticity numbers. And it came with a little mirror, but the mirror is upstairs. I think I've carried this maybe like 3 or 4 times when I've wore purple. But other than that, no, I don't. I mean, it's, you know, you can shoulder it or you can crossbody it, but it looks good on camera though, right? But I don't carry it, so I probably shouldn't have bought it. All right, and then the other one is this little Dior little crossbody. Really cute, but I don't wear silver. I don't. I have like 2 pairs of silver pumps that I bought to complement this bag, and yeah, I don't wear either of those, but I just had to have it. What's in here? Oh, authenticity card. Nothing. Yeah, I didn't need that. And it's sat so long, it's kind of got like a cloud of dust film on it. It's leather, so I mean I could just wipe it down, but yeah, I just had to have it. Had to have it. No, I didn't. All right, and then again, I love a label, and that includes a shoe. So I needed these. I just had to have these Chanel trainers, right? And then olive green at that, right? And then the little burgundy and the little, you know, dark little money green. And I have little bitty feet, and these are my size, but they make my feet look like boats. So these are what, a 36? Yeah, 36. They make my feet look like boats. And I just like, no, I like that I have like a little cute little baby, you know, little baby foot. Like I can wear a size 4, 4.5 in kids down to the Foot Locker or whatnot. So I've given these to my kids, but I just had to have them because, you know, all the girls down to the Instagram was wearing them. And then this last one, I really need my ass whooped for this one. So last year, yeah, it's been almost a year now. Last year, these boots were popping. Everybody had them. All your favorite influencers, all your little favorite reality stars, all your favorites, right? Your favorite had these boots. And I was like, I gotta have them. I'm gonna wear them for my birthday. Well, my birthday coming around again, and I still ain't wore them. And it's this, the thigh high Gucci boot. Literally, no traction, no wear on them. Where am I going? Where am I going in this boot? With this busy ass boot? Where am I going? Where am I going? First of all, I'm too low to the ground. Not that I don't have a pair of thigh highs that, you know, elongate your girl out. But like, where am I going? One bad drink spill on these boots, and then now I don't know how to fight. So now I got the fights down to the club. Then I got to find somebody to get the stain out. And I'm just like, you do not need that. And so they still sit in the box, waiting for an opportunity to be worn. So that was it. I just wanted to drop in and let you know that, you know, what is a label? Nothing. Just, it's like a mental status symbol. It means absolutely nothing. Cause this shirt right here, I think I'm looking super cute in. Came from, I don't have no bra on, but it's cute, right? Maybe later. Cute little shirt, little, you know, bandana from the beauty supply for $1. Little full face of Elf. What is a label? Like, cut the shit. Like, really? And especially now that my life is different and my finances is set up just a little bit different, I probably need to like tame that beast But it is what it is. I am who I am, and your girl. Oh, but wait, let me show. Oh, look. Here I go. Here I go. Let me show you these little numbers now, right? Don't judge. Do not judge. But you gonna give your girl like a round of applause when I show you these babies. I don't regret these. Hold on. I actually got two things that I purchased. Oh, I just came out of my slipper. Let me try. Let me try. So these little Louis Vuitton slides, I think it's just so cute. Got the little buckle with the little LV on it. It's just, I bought these for the summer. Now, I don't regret these because I'm going to just be, I was eating popcorn. Slipping and sliding, you know, around the house, or, you know, it's still like a little bit of sun outside here down to the Chi-Town. So I don't regret that. But, yeah, needless to say, last little high-end purchases. And then these, look at these babies right here. I'm about to kill the game in these. Ow! 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 Yeah, so these little numbers right here, these are recent purchases that, and I bought like a little green beret from, down to the Amazon. It's like this color right here, or probably more of this color, green. Yeah, she's gonna, follow me down to the Instagram, okay? It's the Blogless Behavior, like my channel. And you guys gonna see how I put this together. All right, well, that's it. These are just a few little items that I've purchased that I've come to regret, or that I was gifted and I come to regret. Like, I don't carry them. They're just collecting dust. You want to talk about a purchase? Get down to the comment section or hit me in my DMs down to the Blogless Behavior IG, and let's talk about it. I mean, I'm not here to, you know, be like, you know, panhandling my, you know, my designer goods or whatnot, but shit, I ain't using them. All right, well, always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are gonna hurt our backs, dragging all them bags like that. If you get a designer piece and you enjoy it, go forth and slay. I'll see you on the next time. Bye. Wait till you see me, though. wait till you see the pics, though. You hit the subscribe button and then check out some of my other videos. Go ahead. Go before I buy something. Bye.